When precision and durability matter in woodworking, the best DEWALT router delivers unmatched performance. Engineered for smooth cuts, versatile adjustments, and long-lasting reliability, this tool makes every project easier, faster, and more professional, whether for edges, grooves, or intricate designs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max XR Router. The DEWALT 20V Max XR router is a compact yet highly capable cordless router designed for woodworkers who value control, precision, and portability. Built around a soft start motor with full-time electronic feedback, this router maintains consistent speed even under load, which is essential for clean edges and smooth profiles across a variety of materials. The variable speed dial allows you to fine-tune the RPM to suit different bits and applications, making it suitable for tasks ranging from delicate trim work to more demanding edge shaping. One of its most practical features is the depth adjustment ring, which enables fast, accurate height changes without interrupting workflow, helping users stay efficient on detailed projects. Visibility and safety are also well addressed. Dual LED lights illuminate the work surface clearly. As part of the XR lineup, this router is engineered for durability and long-term performance, with solid construction that holds up well under frequent use. Because it runs on DEWALT's 20V Max battery platform, the router integrates seamlessly into existing tool collections, eliminating the inconvenience of cords while maintaining professional-grade performance. Overall, the DEWALT 20V Max XR router is an excellent choice for DIYers and professionals alike who need a reliable, accurate, and easy-to-handle router for everyday woodworking tasks.
Number 2. DEWALT XR2 Router. The DEWALT XR2 router stands out as one of the most powerful cordless routers in the 20V Max lineup, making it an ideal solution for demanding routing applications without the restrictions of a power cord. Designed to handle tough workloads, this router delivers impressive runtime, capable of completing long routing passes on a single charge when paired with a high-capacity battery. Its variable speed dial with constant speed under load allows precise control across a wide RPM range, ensuring smooth results whether you're cutting grooves, roundovers, or decorative edges. Control and safety are major highlights of this model. The integrated anti-rotation system actively monitors tool movement and shuts the router down if excessive rotation is detected, helping prevent kickback and loss of control. A red LED indicator clearly signals when this system is engaged, keeping the user informed at all times. The adjustable 3-position turret stop further enhances accuracy by enabling quick and repeatable depth changes, which is especially useful for multi-pass cuts. Dust management is another strong point. With integrated dust collection and airlock compatibility, this router can capture a significant amount of debris when connected to a compatible extractor, helping keep the workspace clean and improving visibility during cuts. This feature is particularly valuable for indoor workshops or finished job sites. Number 3. DEWALT Plunge Router. The DEWALT Plunge router is designed to add versatility and precision to compact routing systems, making it an excellent choice for woodworkers who frequently perform inlay work, mortising, or internal cuts. Its plunge-based design allows smooth, vertical movement, giving the user greater control when starting cuts in the middle of a workpiece rather than from the edge. This makes it especially useful for detailed and technical routing tasks where accuracy is critical. The compact plunge-based construction helps maintain balance and stability during operation, allowing the router to move smoothly without excessive vibration. This stability translates into cleaner cuts and better overall control, particularly when working on delicate or high-visibility surfaces. The plunge mechanism is engineered to operate consistently, enabling repeatable depth settings and predictable results across multiple passes. Because it is designed to pair seamlessly with compatible compact routers, this Plunge base expands the functionality of an existing setup rather than requiring an entirely separate tool. This makes it a practical investment for users who want to broaden their routing capabilities without sacrificing workspace efficiency. The compact form factor also makes it easier to maneuver in tight spaces, cabinets, or detailed joinery areas.
Number 4. DEWALT DW616 Router. The DEWALT DW616 router is a corded full-size router built for power, precision, and long-term reliability, making it a strong choice for serious woodworking projects. Its 3/4 horsepower 11-amp motor delivers consistent performance, allowing it to cut smoothly through hardwoods without bogging down. This level of power makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, including edge profiling, dado cuts, and detailed joinery work. Precision is a defining feature of the DW616. The micro-fine depth adjustment ring allows for extremely accurate depth changes in 1/64-inch increments, giving users excellent control over cut depth. This is especially valuable when working on projects that demand tight tolerances and clean finishes. The adjustable, tool-free steel motor cam lock ensures that once the depth is set, it stays locked firmly in place during operation. Convenience is also well considered. Quick-release motor latches make it easy to remove the motor for bit changes or base swaps, saving time during setup and adjustments. The included sub-base concentricity gauge helps ensure accurate bit alignment, which contributes to smoother cuts and improved overall accuracy.
Number 5. DEWALT DCK201P1 Router. The DEWALT DCK201P1 router kit offers a versatile solution for users who want both routing and cutting capabilities in a single cordless package. At the core of the kit is the DCW600 compact router, which features a variable speed dial that allows users to match cutting speed to the specific application. This flexibility helps achieve smoother finishes across different materials and bit types. The depth adjustment ring enables fast, accurate height changes, making it easy to fine-tune cuts without slowing down the workflow. The DCW600 also includes an electronic brake that slows the motor quickly after shutdown, improving safety and reducing waiting time between cuts. Its compact design makes it comfortable to handle, especially during edge work or detailed trimming tasks. Paired within the kit is the DCS334 jigsaw, which adds significant value by expanding the range of projects that can be tackled with the same battery system. The jigsaw's 4-position orbital action allows control over cut aggressiveness, while the variable speed trigger and dial provide precise speed management. Together, these tools form a well-rounded cordless combo that is ideal for woodworking, remodeling, and general job site tasks. The shared battery platform enhances convenience and portability, eliminating the need for multiple chargers and power sources. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.